Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a mini turtle, and if you have a cotton yarn, this is the cotton yarn and this one is the acrylic, so it both look good together, so you can either use cotton or a acrylic yarn. For this tutorial I use cotton yarn with size 3 and then 3.5mm crochet hook, and this size of magnet, it will stick on your fridge very well, this kind of magnet. And you also need a stuffing, scissor, and darning needle. For round 1, form a magic ring. And then chain and do 6 single crochet inside the ring. For round 2, pull the tail of the yarn, and then we will do a increase or 2 single crochet in the same chain. This is 1 single crochet, and then put 1 more single crochet in the same chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then for round 3, single crochet in the first, then mark it. If you don't have stitch marker, you can count, and then increase in the next. This is 2 and 3. Repeat single crochet in the next, and then increase in the next. Repeat around for 18 stitches. And then for round 4, single crochet each of the chain for 18 stitches around, and then cut the yarn. Take your darning needle and then insert your darning needle in the second chain at the back, and then insert your darning needle at the back loop on that last stitch, and then hide the tail inside the stitches. For the shell under, just repeat round 1 to 3 until round 3, like we did on this blue, but just do round 3 and then leave a long tail. And then we will transfer this tail in the middle, going inside. And then we will insert the darning needle in the second chain here. 1, 2, and then insert in the back loop in the last stitch. And then now we will sew both of the shell. Insert your darning needle in the back loop on the shell under and front loop on the blue yarn, back loop, and then front loop. And then before we close it, we will insert the stuffing and then the magnet in the center. And then close it. Now let's make the head. Do a slip knot, and then chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then half double crochet second chain from the hook. And then slip stitch in the next and slip stitch in the last chain. And then make a chain and cut the yarn. For the arm, do a slip knot, and then chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then slip stitch in the back bump of the chain. Insert your hook, second chain from the hook at the back bump, chain, slip stitch, and then slip stitch in the last. And for the feet, do a slip knot, chain of 2, 1 and 2, and then slip stitch in the back bump chain. and then make a chain and cut the yarn.